been a while since I made a video or anything, but here's another unboxing video. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is gonna be my unboxing of my. Which one is this one? Oh, this was from Steel Series. Hopefully, this is my Siberia Elites. And yeah, let's get to it. A little bit about this paper. Shipping info. And there it is. I can see that. My headsets. So happy.
Cái đó là cái gì?
Headset.
Bên đây nè.
Huh? No, just lift it. Ha! Alright, here it is. Can't hear anything. So nice. I bought it in black because it matches my computer and everything. Alrighty, now to unpack this one from Newegg. This should be my parts to my new PC. Sound card.
Không có game không?
No. Game gì đâu. There's no game in here. CPU, fan. This. It's my 2TB Seagate Barracuda hard drive. You can see that. Graphics card, GT660 for 3 gig, and it's supercharged or superclock. And last not least, power supply.
Motor watt gì? Motor.
No, power supply, 700 watts, and that's pretty much it. I'll do an unboxing of these later once I build it, and I'll show you it. Alright, peace out, guys.